watching. Welcome back. My name's Julie. I like to do unboxings and makeup type content. So if you're into that thing, please hit the subscribe button. Tonight, I am filming a little catch-up work and I am going to open the Express Yourself Ipsy mystery bag. I believe this came out in April 2025. It's this beautiful satin purple with the green, so it's giving spring, and it has this really cute little heart charm. You can see that right there. Let's see what's inside. Rebel. Okay, I have never been able to read this packaging before. It is Reina Rebel. That's this brand if you ever get it. This is a Soul highlighter. Really beautiful. It is like this peachy highlight. So a little highlighter, super cute. Next is the Beauty For Real Hydra Set Translucent Powder. I already have one of these, so I will be putting this one in a giveaway. I have the Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser. I go through face wash like nobody's business, so I will definitely be using that. Then we have the Liss Speak Love Matte Moisture Stick. I have a few products from this brand. I do not have a lipstick from them yet, and this is in Sincere. How sweet. Actually, really beautiful component. It's part super shiny gold, and the other part has this like leather texture, which is so beautiful, and it's their triangular shape. It is this beautiful mauve color, a little bit more pink than what I have on my lip now, and shinier. I will definitely be using this. It's such a beautiful color. Thank you, Liss. Or is it LYS? I'm not really sure. And last but not least, in this mystery bag from Ipsy is brushes. Probably one of my favorite things to get in Ipsy are brushes. I go through them, especially while filming, like so quick. And I do wash them, so it's always nice to have extra. These are absolutely gorgeous. They're synthetic. They're this matte, super dark chocolate brown color. Wow. So this one I feel like would be really good for cream, like cream bronzer and cream blush, because it's a little more dense, and this super fluffy would be great for the powder blush or bronzer. And that is what was in my Express Yourself mystery bag from Ipsy. I believe this was from April 2025. Correct me if I'm wrong. But if you like this content, please like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next. It would mean the world to me. And thank you so much for watching.